Hey, good afternoon. Wayne here with Blue Digital Solutions. My partner Grant asked me to do a quick video to take a look at your website and compare it to one of your competitors and see what they are doing that's getting them on page one of Google so that you can see what you need to do in getting your website pushed up to page one in Google. Obviously, that's where everybody goes to make their phone calls. So if you're not on page one, you're not getting any phone calls. So real quickly, this is going to be real short and sweet. I want to just look at a couple things, give you a few tips that you can do to help yourself out. Obviously, if you'd like more in-depth help, feel free to give us a call and we'll be there for you. But here are some things that you can do yourself if you'd like that will help you get in the right direction. Right now, your website looks really nice. It's clean, it's concise. One thing that Google likes to see is a lot of content on the home page. Content, not necessarily reviews. A few reviews are great. Too many is not going to help you as much at all. They want to see content. They want to see things that are authoritative information for your consumer. So let's go take a look. Well, let me back up here real quick. How do I figure who is the competitor that we're going to compare you to? So we went to Google, I put appliance repair, Greenville, South Carolina, and first thing that comes up is this Google My Business section, which you definitely need to be in. That's nothing more than getting your company name and address input into 300 directories out there. That will help get you up here, among other things. But we'll come back to that in a minute. Then down here you have what's called the organic section of page one. Yelp is in the number one spot, and right here you can see the number two spot is Banks Appliance. That's a local company in Greensville. So that's who we're going to take a look at because they're doing something right, and if you emulate some of the things that they're doing, you could be here as well. So what do we look at? So we was looking at your site here, and what we do is we go into a third-party tool and we put your site in here. And we want to look at some of the data that Google sees. Google gives scores and rankings for everything. This domain rating right here is a score from 0 to 100. The higher the score, the more powerful your website. Obviously, you've got somewhere to go. You're sitting not even applicable yet. Backlinks, referring domains. These are the lifeblood of your website. You've got to have backlinks that refer back to you. They're like votes that Google gives you, and it creates power for your website. Then the other thing is organic keywords. Now you do have some organic keywords, and you're only getting one visitor per month basically coming in from your organic keywords. So now let's take a look at your competitor, which was this person here, Banks Appliance. They've got some content, not a whole lot though, so that makes it pretty easy to outdo that. Let's see what their scores are here. As you can see, their DR is a 0.5. Very low, so that's easily topped. They've got a lot of backlinks. They've got some referring domains. They've got a lot of organic keywords. They're getting over 338 people a month coming to their organic site on page one just because of their keywords. Let's take a look at what some of these keywords are. Let's see here. Appliance parts, Greenville, SC. 200 people a month are looking for that term. Banks, that's their name, obviously. Appliance parts, Greenville, SC, 200 people. Used appliances. Wow, as you can see, there are a lot of different keywords that you can utilize, and all of these people are searching for these terms every month. You go back to where you're at. Let's see here. So we need to get more organic traffic coming to your site. The way to do that is going to be more keywords. Let's see which keywords you've got here. So you've got some of them as well. There's appliance appointment. And keep in mind, if you don't have the Greenville SC behind your keywords, those are national. So that's 100 people throughout the entire country searching for that term. So you need to be very specific with which ones you have. You've got some good ones in here. Just need to get them ranking a little better because it's showing you're on page 3, page 4, page 5. So there's a number of things that can be done to boost your website's audience. So let's go back and recap real quick. So keywords interspersed throughout your content, more content. One of the things, let's see, we want some pictures in there. Let's see, you've got some good stuff in here. Definitely got some good stuff. You just need to enhance it a little bit. Like that. So we go back and we look at your metrics. This is what we got to get up here. We need a score here. We need backlinks and more keywords. You put those three things together and your site will get up there to the #1 page, because as we've seen, your competitors' score, let's take a look at that one more time, is not that impressive. That's a very low score. That's very easy to top. But you need to get the backlinks. You can even look at what backlinks this business is utilizing, and you can use the same ones. You don't have to have different ones. Once again, my name is Wayne. I'm with Blue Digital Solutions. If you'd like some more assistance, feel free to give us a call. I hope these tips were helpful in some way, but I'd be glad to speak with you if you'd like some more input. My number is 904-553-5521. I hope you have a great day.